Magandang umaga mga bata. Ito ay matutunan natin dito ay yung iba't ibang uri ng angles. So, we are going to study about the different kinds of angles. So, the first is right angles, acute, and the obtuse angles. And to measure the angles, we have the using the protractor. So this is the protractor. Okay? Ayan. So ito yung ginagamit para makuha yung sukat ng angles. So ayan. Okay? So ito yung mga examples ng mga bagay na mayroong L-type or L-shape sa gilid nito, no? Kung napapansin nyo po, mayroong L-type, no? Yung mga antog dito. Yan. Ito yung mga L-type. Nakikita nyo po. Yung mga corner ng bawat object na makikita nyo dyan. So, examples, the chairs, the table, the TV, the door, etc. So maraming mga object na mayroong L-type or L-shape or what we call right angle. Okay? Ayan, yung mga examples. So, maraming makikita sa bahay na mga bagay na mayroong L-type or what we call right angles, no? Tumingin ka sa paligid nyo, sa mga bahay nyo, meron yan. Okay? Ayan. So, measuring angles is we use the protractor. So, this is the protractor, no? Ayan. Okay. So, we find the examples of right angles. So, identify the L shape. Okay. So, yan. So, the right angles are important everyday life. So, kagaya ng mga architecture and navigation. Okay. Sa navigation, so, nagtuturo ng mga direction. So, kailangan straight to the point. Hindi kailangan lumiko. Okay? Sa architecture, so, imagine niyo na lang yung mga bahay, kunwari, wala tayong mga angle na ginagamit or tinatawag na sinusukat, no? Kagaya na nito. No? Bawat sulok ng ating bahay ay may sukat po yan. So, kailangan po natin gamitin yung mga panukat. So, imagine niyo na lang walang panukat. So, di ba? Siguro na imagine niyo tabi-tabingi, di ba? Hindi siya diretso. Yan po. Yung kahalagahan kung bakit meron tayong mga right angles. Okay? So, meron katanungan dito. So, what do we call the space between two lines that meet? Okay? How do we measure angles? What's the unit we use? If two lines are at the 90-degree angle, what terms do we use? Okay. So, siyempre, number one question. The space, we call that space between the two lines that meet is the angle. Okay? So, how do we measure angles? We do measure by using protractor. Ito na yung protractor. And what unit we use? So, the unit is the degree. Okay? Degree. Tanda natin, degree. So, if two lines are at the 90 degrees angle, so the term we use is right angle. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, this is an example of a right angles. So, we have the clock, no? The two hands of the clock, the one hand is pointing 12 and another one is pointing 9. So, in the clock, we have 9 o'clock. The minute and the hour hands is of the clock from the angle which measure 90 degrees. This angle is like all angles which measured 90 degrees. So, if it is measured by 90 degrees, nakita mo yung 90 degrees, ayan. So, ayan, nag-a-angle siya. So, nag-L type. So, meaning, it is a right angle. Okay? Basta tandaan lang natin, kapag L-type, ganyan, pa-L, no? It is a right angle. And, it is measured 90 degree. Tandaan natin yan. Okay? Ayan. The symbol of the right angle, tingnan mo yung corner niya, nagpapa-square siya, no? Ayan. So, an angle forms a square corner. It is a right angle. Okay? A right angle measured 90 degree. For example, this angle, PIA. So, angle PIA or angle AIP or angle I. Ayan. So, this illustration is the example of right angle. Basta may makita kayong naka-square na symbol yan sa kanyang angle. Square, tingnan mo, square. That is a right angle. Okay? Ayan.